this is the DIY Magician, and we're here with another how to create upcycled puppets. This one here is a monkey, and he does something a little rude. Here it is. Is he? Is he? Is his? Is he spinning his tongue at you and waving his arms? Is that what it was? I think it goes for a while, so let me try it again. Oh! Oh, man! Got hit in the nose. Or did I? That's okay. There he is. The raspberry blowing monkey who waves his arms up and down. And he shakes and all that good stuff. This is quite a deal here. Let me see. Yep. He was 99 cents at the America's thrift store, the place I visited the other day. And that's a pretty good deal for. Well, you give me a break. Are you done? You done? All right, he's done. Okay, so here he is, the monkey, the raspberry blowing monkey with the waving arms and all that good stuff. We're gonna make a puppet. You ready? Go. Here he is. Underneath, it's one of those with a zip tie, thanks, because it looks like it is one of those with a zip tie. Let's find the zip tie stub, and maybe not. Maybe it's not. It is the kind where you have to use a screwdriver. Now, it's going to take 4 screws to get this guy out. Now, of course, that one is tough. So we're going to try with the bigger one, hopefully. No, let's click that over like that. Is it working? Darn it. Do I? Oh, I have one more. Got lots of tools here, guys and gals. Is this going to do it? Or is this one of those crazy ones? Is that a Phillips head? No. Is it? Oh, for Pete's sake. This is some crazy star one. And of course, I don't have my glasses with me. But I'll see if I can do it anyway. Let's see what it is. It is it a Phillips head? No, it's just a standard Phillips head. This other one is too deep, so I couldn't get a good grip on it. So there's one. Come on. Come on, Phillips head. Or did I strip it already? Did somebody strip this one when they put it in? That's going to be good. But we'll get these others out, and then we'll just kind of break the bottom of the other thing. So there's 2. And 3. There we go. All right. So we're getting these done. All the bottom screws will be done, and I'm going to try that one last time on the other one here. One last time. Here we go. Is it? Oh, there we go. I got it. It was just buried in there deep. I think I got it, or am I just spinning my wheels? Nope, there it comes. All right, you ready for this? For the big unveiling of the monkey that blows raspberries. There he is. Okay. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. We've got the plate. Come on, come on, come on. Is that? Yep, there it is. Okay. Okay. Hold on. Oh, there it goes. Okay. This looks like an easy one. Cross your fingers. Cross your fingers. There we go. Okay. All right. It's coming. I say that. This is probably attached in some way up there, but maybe not. I can grab a hold of it. This mechanism is so cool. I want to try and save it. Okay, let's grab that arm. I mean, it's loose up there. No, it's... How do they do that? How do you stitch something way up an arm like that? And then... I mean, it's just crazy. Unless it's looped somehow. Maybe that's it. Hold on. There it goes. Woohoo! There's a loop on the arm. So all I did was I pushed the thread to the end of the loop, and it popped right off. I'm going to try and do it with this one. I'll show you when I get this removed. Come on. Ow, for Pete's sake. Come on, monkey boy. Did I get it the right side? No, that figures. Trying to force it off the wrong side. Did I get it? No, it's still there. This is absurd. I'm going to get one side out, so that'll be good. I'm going to have to do that anyway. So there's one side, and it just coils up, and you can see there's a little gap right there. I actually just pulled the string right through that gap. But that's the only thing holding this puppy on, is that silly, silly thread. Maybe I can pull the arm inside out. Maybe that's what they did, or let's see here. Let's see how that works. No, I'm working it the right way. Come on. Now it's being pesky. Hold on. I've got the animal and I've got the wire. If I do it right, is that it? Come on, come on. Oh, that's why. Hold on. Get in there. Come on. I almost got it. I mean, it's a strong thread, so I'm really trying to get it just right. Come on. This is a tricky one. And it's just this silly thread here. But I'm trying not to rip the cable. There's a little cord. Oh, for Pete's sake. I'm going to bend the wire now. I'm going to grab a hold of it. Come on. Is that it? Okay, maybe this will do it. I bent that coil. There it is. Woohoo! I got it. That was a tough one. Now it has two switches. Oh no, it has a switch and it has a little wiggly tongue. So that's the other thing we've got to remove. There's the wiggly part there. All right, so let's see here. Looks like it had a hat of some sort on it. All right. Oh, it's got a buckle. That's good. These are great. Usually have a glob of glue on there to keep it in one solid place. But if you can get that glue off, then it just unbuckles just like that. And hopefully, nope, didn't do the same there. But we're pretty close to the foot, so that's okay. So let's get the foam out, stuffing, whatever you want to call it. Okay. By the way, are you guys having fun with these? Comment if you're having fun. If you like what you're seeing. I'm just doing this because I've had enough people. Whoa! Enough people say they like it, so I'm just kind of gauging it on that. If not, then maybe we move on to something else. Oh, come on. Let me switch that off there. Let's see here. Hold on. Almost done. There it is. Okay. Again, if there's something else that you guys want to see, I know Kermit. We're working on a Kermit. I have a really nice Kermit that my family likes, so that I don't want to ruin that one. But who knows if I'll find another one. That's the thing, is finding these deals there. Now, the mechanism up here is a little different. And hang on a second. I almost don't want to ruin it, but it does have a mouth mechanism here, so hold on. It's quite an involved little piece of equipment up here. A little motor here. All right, so it's secured with some string. There's one. The tag's in the way. And 2 strings. And that's it. Wow. Wowie, wow, wow, wow. Okay. So I have done it, guys and gals. In fact, I've even been able to save this little mechanism here that wiggled the tongue. Let's see what it does now on its own with the tongue wiggling. Okay, you ready? Before we do the puppet, we're going to do the tongue wiggling. Let's see. Okay, you ready? Here it is. Can I turn it on? No, hold on. Okay. Here it is. The arms and the tongue. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Do it again. So this would be good, again, as a magic trick of some sort with a remote control activator. I could remotely, from across the room, activate it, and it could wiggle a flag. It could have some come up and wave and wave and wave. Yeah, see, look at that. That's pretty darn cool if I say so myself. And then just stop right there. It just... Look at that. Nice. Okay. Well, I'm having too much fun there. Well, there it is. Dun, 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 dun. Let's get the fingers and the arms. And we've got some arms there and arms here. And if I do, oh, ho, 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 look at that. Look at that. The little tongue. If I do that, I can move the tongue, and then I can wiggle the head. I can move the arms. Look at that. No, it's a... That's what he's doing there. Okay, look at that, guys. We did it. Yay! A monkey puppet. Ta, 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 ta. Hey, thanks, guys, for coming along, guys and gals, for coming along. For those of you who have been with us before. For those of you who are new to this adventure, please feel free to subscribe, and you'll get more of these fun things right in your little the little box that tells you something's new. And this is the DIY Magician. Until next time, bye. Bye.